Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Art Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about if you are not getting sales and your January sales are low, and in fact your February sales are low, and you're feeling of giving up, you're feeling of quitting up, then I'm going to talk about this thing in this video, and I'm going to motivate you, inspire you to not to quit and just hang on to this journey and all that. So stick till the end if you're interested in watching this video guys, and also consider clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate that if you do so. Now let's get started with the main part. Guys, I really want to tell you, don't quit if you are not getting sales and you're feeling like it's not working for you and things are not working, and you're feeling like how it will going to go far, and whether it's worth trying it, whether it's worth doing it. If you are not getting sales on your Redbubble or on your TeePublic or any other online business or online journey, I want to tell you, don't quit guys. It's just completely normal, because after the Q4, the Q1 is really quite down, and the same thing is working for me. Like in the January, my print on demand sales, my TeePublic sales were also low. Other print on demand was also low. In fact, the KDP book sales was also low. Like I wasn't getting much sales for my KDP books as well in the January. There was like quite big deep, like the sales were quite low. So it's quite normal guys. I really want to tell you, don't quit. Hang on to this journey, even if you are feeling like it's not working for you, even if you are feeling like it's so much of work and nothing is coming out of it. Like there is so much input you need to give, but there is no output right now. You can see from this thing. I want to tell you guys, it's a long-term thing. It's a sort of a passive income, and passive income doesn't build overnight. Things doesn't build overnight. It takes some time. It takes some energy. You have to have patience guys, which is really important. Like if you're quitting up so soon, thinking that it's not working for you maybe because of XYZ reason, and you feel like you need to quit and all that, I want to tell you, don't quit guys, because quitting is not a solution. Like you need to hang on to this journey. You need to tell yourself, okay, it's not working right now for me, it will be working soon, it will be working again for me, or something like that. Like don't quit just because you're not getting the desired results right now. Don't quit, because things doesn't happen overnight. Like we see often the big successes of people onto the internet. They're talking about making big money, like in the overnight money, telling that they made $1 million in just a week, or in just 1 month, or in just 6 months of starting their business. And they're talking about such big money, and we often feel like they're making so much money, they're making so big money, and we are not making it, we are not doing it. So that means we are not good, we are not lucky, our things suck, or we suck, or the things that we are working upon will never going to get us the results. I want to tell you, don't compare yourself with them, because you don't know the 100% picture of that person who is talking about all these things. We don't know about them, so why we need to compare ourselves with them? Like why we need to do ourselves a big service by comparing ourselves with someone who's 100% things are not out in front of you. You don't know that person reality, so why you need to compare yourself with them? Like think about that thing in a second guys, because it's so tempting. It's so easy for us to check into other YouTubers, check into other YouTube channel, other blog articles, and see that, oh wow, this blog article is making so much money, this person is making so much money, and it's so tempting for us to compare ourselves with them and thinking that they are making so big money, they are making overnight money, and we are not making it. So that means this thing is not working. Just quit. It's not there for us, it's for them. So don't quit. So just quit and leave everything and all that. I want to tell you, don't quit guys. Things doesn't happen overnight. Have patience. Have patience, which is really important. Now I've been talking about these things many times in my video guys, because I see that many people quit. Many people feel demotivated, discouraged, because they are not getting good sales, they are not making big money, and they feel like, oh, I'm not making big money, that's why it's not working for me and I need to quit it, I need to focus on something else. But that's not the reality guys. Thing doesn't happen overnight. In fact, most of the online passive income streams are not overnight rich success making money. Like you won't get rich overnight, you won't make overnight money, or you won't make money in your first month such big money. It's not that guys, it's not that glamorous. Like just see the real thing. Don't focus so much on the glamorous side of being an online entrepreneur, of being an online business, selling online, making big money. Don't see just the glamorous side. See the real side, guys, which I really want to tell you that. Because not many people talk about things and they feel like it's not working for them and they just need to quit because those people are making big money and I'm not making it. And with led you into negative comparison mode, the negative mindset, which is really unhealthy for you, which is really unhealthy for your business. And I wouldn't really tell you to focus on this thing right now. I want to tell you, hang on to this print on demand journey. I told you already what you need to do if the sales are low. I have already made a video talking about the January sales when it's low and how you can work upon your print on demand journey to set up yourself for next holiday season, for next upcoming months, so to get more sales from it. Like I already told you to make up a holiday calendar, which is really worth doing it, guys, really worth doing it. I want to tell you, otherwise in the end you're just gonna mess up with the things. You don't know when is the holiday coming and you're gonna miss up the things, or you just upload the things on time and you won't be getting much sales from it. So I really want to tell you, make a holiday calendar. Set yourself that these are the holidays are coming in the next upcoming months. I need to focus according to it. I need to make designs related to it. I need to do this type of marketing and promotion. This is my strategy. This is the way I need to work upon. This is my niche. This is my keyword. So make all these things right now. Research, guys. Researching is really, really important. Don't cut corners. I really want to tell you, don't cut corners. If you're thinking that someone is making big money by taking that big shortcuts, I really want to tell you that it's not that glamorous, it's not that fancy. You need to be real with that. You need to see what is your thing, what is working for you, what is the thing that you enjoy doing. Focus on that. Even if you are not getting the sales right now, even if you're not getting the desired results right now, you're gonna get it, guys. You're gonna get it. Don't quit. Another thing, guys, I want to talk to you about is focus on your journey. Focus on your things. Do your research. See that if this thing is working for you. Try to make more such things, or try to replicate that thing. Try to reinvent the things. Try to just modify it, change it, edit it. Just do your research. See what's there right now. If you are not getting sales right now, how you can get sales more in your next upcoming months. Work on that instead of feeling demotivated, discouraged. Work on the research. Work on the things that is really going to help you in getting more sales. Even if the sun is not rosy right now, even if it's not shiny right now, it will going to be shiny later on, guys. Trust me, it worked so much. In fact, it was working so much for me as well. Right now, my sales is also low and I am not discouraged right now. I'm just working and researching, thinking of more, what I can do more right now, what I can make more designs related to one particular niche, so I would be getting sales in the next upcoming future months, in the next upcoming future holidays. So my strategy is that. So I just really want to tell you, don't quit, guys. Don't quit. It doesn't make any sense for you to quit right now. Like, if you are the person who is the long-term person, then you're gonna get the success. If you are thinking it's just related to the shortcut tips, the short-term strategies, the short earning money or quick earning money or overnight success, then you won't be going it for a very long time. So don't quit, guys. This is a motivational video and also a little bit of the educational video to tell you guys, quitting is not a solution. Working on your strategy, working on your business, thinking of how to make it more lucrative, how to add more value, how to do this thing, what is working on that platform, what is selling on that platform, and what you can do it. You don't need to copy anyone. You don't need to go for the copyright or trademark or copying anyone or stealing someone's design. Don't do it, guys. But you just take an inspiration what's actually selling on the platform and how you can also take an advantage and make your own designs related to it. And instead of quitting, instead of feeling discouraged, instead of just demotivating, just focus your mind onto a different perspective, focus your energy on different things, so that even if you are not getting the results right now, you're gonna get the results in future. Because if you're completely discouraged, demotivated right now, which is completely normal, guys, we are not robots, we are human beings. It's completely normal to feel discouraged, to feel demotivated, to feel like quitting up, losing hope, tired. It's completely normal. You can take a one-day break, you can just relax yourself, you can calm your body, your mind, and then you can figure out what you need to work on right now to shift the things, to change your mind perspective, to feel again resourceful, to feel again energetic about your life, to feel again happy about your own online business. So that's the thing I want to tell you guys in this video. I hope that this video really makes some sense to you, really help you in finding some clarity, in telling you to not quit right now and what you need to focus instead on. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think about this video. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.